We are very delighted and proud to be part of this big Aquatopia project here in Aalst in Belgium. CONTEMPLAS has provided professional aquasports motion analysis system for both of the pools here. We hope that the coaches and athletes here in Belgium will highly benefit from our solutions by intensifying the training progress and improving performance. The 50-meter pool is equipped with 11 high-speed cameras, which allow a professional swimming analysis. 6 cameras are installed at the 25-meter pool to analyze the diving athletes, whereas each of the 3 diving platforms is covered with 2 analysis planes. 2 further cameras are placed at the ceiling of the 25-meter pool, covering the water polo pitch for tactical analysis. The related innovative TEMPLO software provides, on the one hand, a feedback coaching system for the daily training with live and delayed camera views and easy recording options. On the other hand, professional parameter-based analysis can be performed, such as a start, turn or race analysis in swimming, which results in detailed analysis parameters such as split times, stroke rates, velocities and many more. CONTEMPLAS has been part of this project for the last 3 years for accompanying the architectural planning with our long-term experience over the installation during the construction phase until the handover and detailed training of the coaches.
First and for all, it was a very nice collaboration. We are looking forward to use all the equipment. Also the software looks very promising. And we think all our athletes, swimmers, divers, water polo people will improve by analyzing all of the sports equipment.